Hey everyone, my name is Atiti and today's my topic is laughter. Today we are talking about second video for laughter. Laughter is a wonderful thing. It conveys a sort of feeling to others. Laughter relaxes our body from head to toe. It also protects our heart from many diseases. Laughter it also helps in boosting the immune system of a human beings. Laughter makes us mood booster, reduce pain and also protect us harmful and damaging effect of stress and tension. Nothing works faster than a good laugh. A priceless medicine is fun, free, and easy to utilize by everyone. So there are many ways to show their laughter. When we talk about the circus, I want to emphasize the importance of spending time with families in a circus. When you are with your parents and friends, enjoy every moment together. It's such a great feeling, you know. We are so excited to go to the circus. They also very happy to see the place are glittering with lights. The children and even their parents are also enjoying and laughing together. There are many seats. All the seats are occupied. Men, women, and children are anxiously waiting for the show to start. But the best moment was when the Joker come on the stage and their way of dancing, their painted face was like amazing and enjoyable. They performed funny tricks and they also played many games with children. They made us laughter by their funny tricks. We are coming home to a place of a comfort and happiness. Indeed, it's a day filled with sweetness and contentment. In the same way you see children playing games in the evening, there is the only time to show their laughter together. They enjoy these feelings and you can understand the joy of a children's. It seems their bond over this conversation. A slight smile of a children can make their parents happy. So there are many ways to show their laughter together. You find laughter in a little things like we are going to a market. You explore many things there and visited new stores and you get to see many faces there because staying in a one place for a long time can make their life dull. So I want to tell you in last, laughter is best therapy as we all know. As it is only positive results, it can bring a drastic change in your life and you feel better. You feel better. Thank you.